Open the toolbox and take out the oil. Cut off the top of the oil bottle. Poke the plastic film on the bottle with scissors. Remove the white plastic paper from the cap. Add 1 or 2 drops of oil into each slot every 2 months. Change to the number 1 needle and the front board will move left. Fill the right plastic box halfway with oil. Refill when empty. Or add 1 or 2 drops of oil per week. Add 1 or 2 drops of oil here every month. Add 2 to 5 drops of oil into the hose once per week. Unscrew the top screw. Loosen the bottom screw halfway. Put down the metal piece. Prepare a lithium grease and attach the nozzle to it. Spray some lithium grease on the shaft once per week. Spray some lithium grease to the hole in the right side once per week. Spray some lithium grease here once per week. Spray some lithium grease once per week right here. Put the metal piece back. Tighten the 2 screws. Add 2 drops of oil into the bobbin area every 3 or 4 hours. Unscrew the screws on the needle plate with a 2.5 mm Allen wrench. Remove the needle plate. Unscrew the left side screw. Unscrew the right side screw. Unscrew the bottom screw and remove the bottom mantelpiece. Wipe the dust off. Use a small brush to wipe off the dust. Add 1 or 2 drops oil here. Put the bottom metal piece on. Install the bottom screw and tighten it halfway. Install the right side screw and tighten it halfway. Install the left side screw and tighten it. Tighten all screws. Put in the bobbin case. Put the needle plate back. Install the 2 screws. Remove the shoe on one side of rail. Take off the gray cover. Remove the shoes. Find short screwdriver and remove the screw. Remove the rest of 2 screws. Take off the long cover. Oil on the sideways of rail with machine oil. Move the frame holder left and right. Oil on the sideways with machine oil on the other side. Move the frame holder left and right. Oil in between the silver part and the black wheel, while moving the frame holder. Put back the long cover. Install all the screws back. Put back the gray cover and the screw. Remove all the screws on the white plate. Take off the white plate. Remove all the screws on the white plate on the other side. Remove all the screws on the white plate. Clean the rails. Oil on the sideways of rail with machine oil and move the rail forward and backward. Repeat twice. Oil on the sideways of the other rail with machine oil, and move the rail forward and backward. Repeat twice. Install the plate and screws back. Install the plate and screws back on the other side.